Hello and welcome to the Real Estate School for Success. I'm Frankie Griffin. I'm one of the owners and instructors here at the Real Estate School. And we want to thank you for even looking at our website. And obviously you have some interest in getting your real estate license and just want to go over what are the requirements or prerequisites to even get a real estate license in South Carolina. Well, first of all, you would start by getting what we call your associate real estate license. That would be the first license you could qualify for. And to get this, you'd have to be at least 18 years of age or older, obviously. You got to have a high school diploma or a GED. You will have to submit to a criminal background check. And then obviously you got to pass the state exam, which would also include passing the course requirements, which is what we provide here at the Real Estate School for Success. Now, what are these course requirements? Unit 1 consists of 60 hours of, we just cover basic fundamentals of real estate. And then there'll be a second course, we call it Unit 2, which is a 30-hour course, and it deals with more advanced real estate fundamentals. Okay? So you'll have to have both of these classes to get your license. But Unit 1, which is the first course you'd have to take, is 60 hours. And you complete that course, then you would go take and pass the state exam. And then to actually get your license, you would have to sit through the Unit 2 course, which again, 30 hours. There's no exam requirements for this Unit 2. You just have to take the course. And then you can get your associate real estate license. Now, when you get that license, you can do pretty much any kind of real estate you want to do, whether it be residential or commercial. You can do property management. You can do consulting. You can do any kind of real estate you want to do with this license, okay? The main thing I want to point out here is a lot of people are interested in also doing property management. You do not need a property management license if you have your real estate license. Okay, you can do sales and or property management with this license. Now, the one thing I do want to make sure you understand. You cannot do any of these things on your own with this license. You'll have to hang your license with a real estate firm or a brokerage company. And any real estate you do, whether it be property management, sales, whatever you do, has to go through the firm or company that you're licensed with. So it's not like you can have your own little side game going on. So I just want to make sure that's clear. But with this license, you're good to do any kind of real estate you want to do, okay? And here's some of the topics that we'll be discussing throughout the course. The 60-hour Unit 1 course, it's a lot of stuff, but I will tell you it's very informative and it will help you a lot, both in the practice of real estate and even when you're not practicing real estate with other people. If you're buying and selling for yourself, this is really good information to understand. If you have any other questions or want more information about getting your real estate license, just give us a call. Our phone number, our email address is right there. Just click on contacts here on the website, and we'll be glad to talk to you and answer any questions you may have. Good luck to yourself and in the future.